Hey everybody, I'm getting my raisin toast. Remember I made my raisin bread yesterday and I got some nice toast here. Before I tell you my little story, put some butter on it. I like the end piece. There. Cinnamon raisin toast. Hang on now. I'm gonna tell you something. I want to talk to you today about my disappointment with QVC and the Bose Wave radio and the Alexa promotion they had with this. Okay? While I eat my raisin toast. And milk. Okay, here's the problem I have. I watched this on QVC on May 5th. And I wasn't going to get it. I always wanted the Bose Wave radio 20 years ago, you know. I always wanted one. I always see them on TV. I always see them here and there. I said, they make it look so good. All right, I'll get it. I'll try it. CD player and everything. And with this deal, they had an Amazon Echo input. Alexa, you know, which you plug into the back of this, and then you can say, ask Alexa the weather or whatever you want to do, you know, play certain songs. Bose Wave Radio, Music System 4. So, you're supposed to get this radio. It was a good price. Amazon Alexa add-on. The add-on was going to come in a voucher where you had to go onto Amazon and log in and they'll mail it to you. Okay? That's fine, I understand that. Anyway, I wanted this and I was going to leave town and I paid for 1 day shipping, overnight shipping, like $37. It was free shipping, but I paid overnight shipping. Maybe it's a stupid idea, but I wanted it because I was leaving town and I didn't want this around, you know? I wasn't going to be home. So I got that the next day. That was great. And on the presentation, they said the voucher for the Alexa will be in the box. So I opened it. There's nothing in the box. I'll show you.
Let me show you guys something before I forget. This voucher will be in the Bose box. What's going to be in a box inside the box? You do not throw this voucher away.
See, they say it's going to be in the box. Nothing in the box. You get a CD. You get a receipt. There's like a sound effects kind of music CD where you can compare that with your other stereo. And oh, by the way, I unboxed this on my other channel and I compared it with my other stereo. So if you want to see that, check out my other channel. I'll put a link at the end of this video. But I had to tell you this here because I know a lot of you might have bought this and maybe you had a similar problem. So, okay, the voucher wasn't included in the box. And I had it recorded. Well, here, it's on the website. Let me see. I'll play a little audio clip of them saying it's in the box. So here, even on their website, they say it's included in the box. Listen to the voucher. I think she even asked him,
well, first you're gonna,
do you have to send for it? He said, no, it's in the box.
This voucher's important. Where the
it's shipped separately, right? Is it shipped separately?
Well, the voucher will be in the Amazon or the Bose box.
Oh, it's in the box. Okay,
See,
right.
But you're going to go on the Amazon website.
They said that twice.
Code in there, and within a day or
And
two,
they said, well, he said within a day or two, I kid you not, you'll have that Amazon Alexa. I didn't get it yet. I ordered that on the 5th. Today is the 21st. I emailed them first. I thought, okay, maybe since I had overnight shipping, maybe that got ahead of that a little bit. But he said it was going to be in the box. And it wasn't. So I emailed them. They said, oh, that'll ship on the 17th. Why? You just told me on TV. Overnight shipping. The voucher will be in the box. And 1 or 2 days, I'll have the Amazon Alexa Echo input, which I really didn't want. I don't want somebody listening to me, but I thought it's free, all right, I'll try it. I could turn it off and on, you know? But I didn't get it yet. Then I emailed them again about a week and a half later. Sorry for the inconvenience, it'll be shipping soon. Then I checked my order status and I checked shipping, and you know, QVC's in Westchester, PA, which is like 60 miles from where I live. I know they ship things from different parts of the country, but this voucher they're sending me is coming from Canada. I was tracking it from Canada. At customs, at the border, coming into this country. It's a code. It's a code. It's a number. You go to Amazon, you put in this code, and they send it to you. Why did it come from Canada? And in the second email I sent QVC, I said, I'd rather just buy it for 20 bucks. This Amazon dot input is only $20, and I would have had it the very next day. For something I really didn't want, I'm kind of disappointed I didn't get it yet. And I still didn't get it. And it's tracking, it's in my state now. But from May 5th.
Cinco de Mayo?
Alright, I had to tell you that. I wonder if anybody else had a problem like that. On my other channel, people responded that the voucher was in the box. Mine wasn't. Alright, thanks again, QVC. Radio's alright. Ain't the best in the world. Check the review on the other channel. Oh, don't forget about this toast. I just had to tell you that because it bothered me, and I wonder if any of you had the same problem. What do you think I'm gonna make tonight? I'll give you a hint. I'm using a wok. Never saw that before, did you? Until you watch it. It'll be on tomorrow. Talk to you later. Good luck. Enjoy your Bose Wave radio if you got one. Alexa, who's Rick Mammana?
I don't know him.
All right, see you later. Have a nice day. Bye.